In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transfer your website from Namecheap hosting to HostGator. This process involves a few key steps to ensure your site is backed up and restored properly, minimizing downtime, and ensuring everything functions smoothly. First, before making any changes, you'll want to back up your existing website files and database from Namecheap. Think of this as safeguarding all your hard work. So even if things don't go as planned, you'll always have your website's original state to fall back on. Start by accessing your Namecheap account and navigating to your website's file manager. From here, you can select all your site files and compress them into a zip file. Download this file to your computer for safekeeping. Next, you'll want to back up your database. If you're using WordPress, this can typically be done via the Namecheap cPanel by utilizing ppMyAdmin. Once inside ppMyAdmin, find your database, select it, and export it as an SQL file. Now with everything safely backed up, let's move over to your new host, log into your HostGator account, and access the cPanel. Here, you'll use either the file manager or an FTP client to upload the website files you previously downloaded. With the file manager, simply click Upload, select your zip file, and extract it once uploaded. If you're using an FTP client, simply connect with your HostGator details and drag and drop your files into the appropriate directory. The next critical step is to import your database. Within the HostGator cPanel, locate and open ppMyAdmin. You'll need to create a new database first, so navigate back to the cPanel homepage, find the MySQL Databases section, and create a new database with a user attached to it. Once that's done, return to ppMyAdmin, select your new database, and import the SQL file that you backed up from Namecheap. This will populate your new database with all your existing site data. With your files uploaded and database imported, you now need to update your wp-config.php file or site settings to match your new database credentials. This file is like a roadmap that tells your WordPress site where to find its data. Open wp-config.php in a code editor and update the db name, db user, db password, and db host values to match those of your new HostGator database setup. Finally, you'll need to update your domain's DNS settings to point towards HostGator. This step ensures that when visitors try to access your website, they are directed to the new hosting platform. Log back into Namecheap, navigate to the domain list, and select Manage next to your domain. Here, update the name servers to those provided by HostGator. It may take a few hours